Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a clean and simple Easter card that you can mass produce quickly for last-minute cards. So let's get started. First, I've cut a few panels of distressed watercolor paper to approximately 4 1/4 by 2.5 inches. I take a scrap of stamp packaging and place it over one of the distressed panels. Then I smoosh a Kitsch Flamingo distress ink pad onto the plastic in the approximate size of my panel. I add a few spritzes of shimmer spray and water and use my finger to get rid of any harsh edges in the ink. Then I flip the plastic over and press it to my watercolor paper. I let the ink soak in for a second or two before lifting the plastic and pressing it again. I repeat this process to spread the excess ink across the panel in a random pattern. I repeat the process with saltwater taffy, salvage patina, tumbled sky, and shaded lilac distress inks, although you can use your favorite pastel ink. Then I dry the panels with my heat gun. Once they're dry, I place them in my splatter box. I smush the same ink pad onto my glass mat and use a wet paintbrush to pick up more concentrated ink and splatter it onto the panels. I love the look of speckled Easter eggs, and this is my favorite way to achieve that look. I repeat the process with each panel and each ink. Then I let them dry. Once they're dry, I've placed a few panels in my splatter box and then splatter them with metallic gold paint for a little extra shimmer. I let that paint dry while I work on my sentiment. Off camera, I stamp the happy and Easter sentiments from Happy 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 onto white cardstock and heat emboss them with gold embossing powder before die cutting them with the coordinating dies. And once my panels are dry, I die cut them with the egg dies from the Egg Crate die set. And just look at all those beautiful pastel Easter eggs. Next, I die cut the Quilted die from an A2 panel of white cardstock. I arrange my sentiment and eggs onto the lower half of the panel and adhere them with a mix of regular adhesive and foam mounting tape. Each card only uses 5 eggs, so you have plenty left over for more cards. You could also use these speckled eggs to decorate place settings at your Easter table instead of note cards. It's not my usual card making style, but I love letting those pastel Easter eggs be the star of this clean and simple design. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!